What's up, you guys? I am back. Original Fingercomber unit. I have loved this wig. It has been amazing to me. After a while of wearing it and doing all the finger combing things to it, the curls start to kind of not look like curls anymore. And so I knew that I needed to retwist it, and I decided to do that. So it has been retwisted. As you guys can see, hopefully you can see it. And I just I twisted it all up. I sprayed it down with water, like each individual piece with water. Kind of just finger comb through it. And you remember, this one doesn't have any combs. So anyway, I'm gonna pull it all the way up. Of course, I'm not gonna sit here and do a whole video of me unraveling this wig, but I do want to put a couple bobby pins in it so that it does not move. So I'm going to start unraveling some of this so you guys can kind of see. I'm going to do one in the front so you guys can see. And then I asked myself, should I put some oil on my fingers? Because when I do a twist out with my natural hair, I do, I put little stuff on there. But because this isn't human hair, I don't know how it's going to work out. So I don't know if you guys can see. This is kind of what the end look like. Cause then I'm like, should I have put little rollers on it? Yeah, I don't know, but I'm just gonna slowly take it down, because I think that's the key with this, is that you can't be all rough with it. So I guess what it gives you is, I mean, I like this is a decent pattern that it gives, a little two strand twist out. Yeah. So, and I start from the very, very end, because I think that because of the type of hair this is made with, because I'm pretty sure this is synthetic. I'll have to look it up, but I know this ain't no human hair. Yeah, the curls, and this has been twisted up for about maybe 3 weeks. I left it in this state for about 3 weeks. And I just, like I said, I wore it out as a twist wig again, and now I'm ready to take it down. But I wanted you guys to see it. Actually, I like the curl patterns. Here, let me take out this one. Oh, this one's got a rough end to it, but I'm gonna make it work. Okay. Wait, was that all of it? I think so. Okay. Yeah, the curl pattern actually is not bad at all. I have a couple more to go. So this twist out look actually is looking pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie, like, I really love this wig. I love this wig. I love that I can twist it up when I feel like the curls need a little bump, or little waves, or whatever, need a little something. So I love this wig, y'all. Like, I done fell in love with this wig. I think that it did go back to what it was when I first got it. This is the product that I used on it. This is called Uniqurl, and this is their 4-in-1 styler. This is it could be a leave-in, a detangler, curl cream, moisturizer. I'm gonna try and get it close so you guys can see. But yeah, this is a Uniqurl, the 4-in-1 styler. And like I said, what I did was I took a section, I just grabbed some of the hair, sprayed it down with some water, put some of that on there, and just twisted it all over with this. I want to see if you guys can get a little close up of the curls or the waves. And at first when I was taking it down, I was concerned about the ends. You know what I'm saying? But I actually like the ends, because at first I was like, well, maybe the next time I do it, I will put little bitty rollers at the end, or do Bantu knots that always give it that little extra little curl at the end. But you know what? This didn't do half bad. I mean, I can deal with this twist out look. I love this wig. All right, you guys, so that's it. Like, this is what it can be retwisted and be redone. It is just gonna take some patience. And yeah, I didn't put any like hardcore combing and brushing on it. I did most of it while it was wet. I took each individual piece while it was wet and kind of did it with my fingers, and maybe took at the ends, I took that dim brush at the very end of it, and then kind of just, you know, as it was wet, and by me using this, and I just retwisted it. Like I said, I didn't do a whole bunch of combing or brushing on it at all, and I'm just happy that I know I can retwist this myself, unravel it, and it's as good as new. I know right now I got some little parts little pieces kind of going everywhere. This is because I really can't see what's happening until I go over into my big mirror. I'm just kind of looking at the camera right now. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for checking out my review on the untwisting for the second time around after I went and twisted it myself. And thank you so much for all of your support, for liking, subscribing. Your comments have been hilarious with this wig, and I hope that I was able to help some of you out that are trying to figure out if you want to get this wig or not. I highly recommend this wig. It has been amazing to be able to throw this on, because I'm not wanting to do my own hair. I mean, it's about convenience, right, ladies? It's about convenience. Just being able to toss this thing on and go. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.